Download the Bitget application on Play Store or App Store. Open the Bitget application. Click on the Sign Up button usually located in the top right corner of the application. Choose registration via email or via phone number. Here we choose via email. Fill in all the required information such as email address and password. Agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Enter referral code. Optional. After entering the required information, click on the Create Account button to proceed. Completing the CAPTCHA. Open the email used for registration and find the verification email from Bitget. Enter verification code into the designated box on the app and then submit. Once you have verified your email, your account registration is complete. Now, you can log into your Bitget account using the registered email address and password. After your account registration is complete, your account has not been verified. Go to your account settings or profile section. Look for the option related to KYC verification. Click the Verify button. Select country and region, then choose type of identification card. In the Continue. Prepare your identification card. Ensure the documents are clear and readable. Take your photo of your ID card. Take a selfie or photo of yourself. This helps to verify that the documents belong to you. Submit the KYC verification application and wait for it to be reviewed by Bitget's team. This process may take some time depending on the platform's current workload. Once your documents are verified, you will receive a confirmation email or notification from Bitget. Your KYC process is complete, and you can now use the platform's features that require verified status.